Finally, I'm so excited. We're going to find the angle. Okay, so finding the angle is when we get to the SOHCAHTOA business. Between AG and EG. So AG is here and EG is there. So this is my theta. Okay, I just want to put the lengths in. It just makes me see it easier. 55 and that's 55 and that's 55. And that one's going to be 59, that one's going to be 61. So I've got 61, 61, 61, 61. And then I've got 55, 55, 55, 55. And then I've got 59, 59, 59, 59 is my vertical. You might think that's a giant mess, but somehow it helps. I mean, to speed up. So, how would I find this length here? I'm using Pythagoras, so that length there is your 55 squared plus your 61 squared, and take the square root of that. Put in brackets in your calculator. That will give us this length. And we have that length, don't we? We're going to have this length is here, that's 59. Yes, and we're trying to find theta. So that is our hypotenuse. So we're not interested in the hypotenuse. We're interested in the adjacent and opposite. So we're going to use tan theta equals opposite upon adjacent. Therefore, theta equals inverse tan of opposite over adjacent. We could do that in one fell swoop on our calculator if we're a bit short on time. We've got people coming into the room. So first I'm going to go shift U and then it's in degrees, so that's good. So I'm going to go shift inverse tan bracket. Opposite is your 59 divided by, and this is going to get tricky because I need the bracket. And then I'm going to go shift square bracket. Now square root shows up. 55 squared plus 61 squared. Close that bracket. I really didn't need that extra bracket. Let's see, so 59 divided by, let's see what I get. 35.69. Let's see if we're right. Yay!